Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss yet another important topic for the final year computer science students. So we will be discussing a new project idea in which you can create a live project and then you can demonstrate that project in front of your guide. So we will be discussing what is the problem statement again, how what is the problem and what is the solution, what all technologies you will be using to get this project done, plus what all modules are required in order to get the project done. So we will be discussing the type of database, the type of server language, then the different modules, how you are going to implement those modules, what will be your language selection, what will be your database selection. So we'll be discussing all the things in this particular video. So let us start the video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please click on the subscribe button so that you get important updates whenever a new video is uploaded on the channel. So friends, this new computer science project topic is for online system. So we will say that it will be an online chat system. So we'll be discussing like how this online chat system you can make it secure, what all modules are there, how you can make a chat history, then it how it will support. So these are the different functionality of online chat system. So you can create this chat system from scratch. So for language, like you can create this in node.js, like we have socket.io. Then again you can create in C sharp, PHP, Python, any language that you want. But main thing is what all different modules there will be in this particular project. So first thing will be like it will be working in a wired network LAN. So when we say wired network LAN means it will be secure, it will not be accessible outside, so it will be for a particular organization. Then second thing is like it will support multiple language. So in order to support multiple languages, you have different technique through which you can do. You have different options, like either you can install different languages, so you can chat in that particular language. It will support multiple user at one time, and the most important thing is like it should save the chat history so that at any moment of time, if you want to check your past chat with a particular user, so you can easily find those chat. And this other thing is like that chat history should be stored in a database, so you must integrate your online chat system with a database. Next, the other thing is like LAN communication. So you will have the user login module. You will have an the user who wants to chat, he must logged in order to chat with the other user. So the main functionality that we will discuss, first thing will be it will be online system. It will be working on the LAN wired, and then for front end, like you can create the interface in HTML, CSS. For the backend processing, in which you are storing the chat history and other chat data into database, so you can use any a backend language like PHP, Node. And for database, we have a lot of options, like if you can go with SQL or NoSQL. So if you go for NoSQL, you have MongoDB, so you can store the chat history in that, and you can get frequently. So you have a search features also. So using search feature, you can search the different chats. And in terms of security, you can store the password in MD5 or any encrypted technology, so that even if a person has access to the database, he cannot get the password. And if you talk about the module, the main module that will be there in this project will be module. Then you have user login. Then you have uh, user can log in. Then you have admin who can create different types of users. Then if we talk about the security, all the chat history will be stored in that, and every user will have an option that he will be provided different types of languages that he can choose, and then he can interact with the other users. Once it is done, like you can deploy on a web server, and then all the users can access. So a web server, you can go either for IIS or Apache. So both will be able to handle this type of project. So friends, this is all about computer science project that you can create uh, using online chat system. with different languages, multiple users, chat history, and you can add as many modules as in that, security features. So friends, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video.